In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the source code on GitHub. GitHub is a powerful tool and an essential platform for coders and software developers around the world. It hosts a multitude of projects where developers publish their work for collaboration and version control. Whether you're a developer wanting to inspect the guts of a project or someone curious about how things work behind the scenes, browsing the source code is a fundamental skill you should know. To get started, you'll want to have your web browser ready and head over to GitHub's website. There, you have the option to search for a specific repository or find one by exploring freely. This can be done through the search bar at the top or by navigating through trending projects if you're open to discovering new and interesting repositories. Once you've decided on which repository you want to check out, click on it to open. Now, you're inside the repository's main page. Here at the top, you'll find the repository name clearly displayed. This page is central to everything you want to do with that particular project on GitHub. You will instantly notice the file and folder list, usually located just below the repository name. This is a critical part of the page as it acts like your table of contents for the entire project. To view the source code of any particular file, simply scroll through the list or use any additional directories provided to locate the specific file you're interested in. Clicking on a file's name takes you directly into its content, where you can dive into the actual lines of code that make the project tick. Viewing the source code is as simple as that. As you explore, note that this is a read-only view, which means you can see and learn from the code, and also review the comments and annotations provided by the creators. If you are logged in, GitHub offers further options like forking the repository to make your own edits or suggesting changes directly if you have constructive ideas to improve the project. By understanding how to navigate GitHub and access these files, not only do you unlock a deeper understanding of coding trends and programming practices, but you also open the door to countless collaborative opportunities. Remember that every big project starts with understanding the basics. And today, you've taken a crucial step. So go ahead and explore more repositories. Perhaps even consider contributing once you get comfortable. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring.